If you want to maintain your privacy while using Vrbo, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Vrbo website or app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find privacy settings. In the account settings menu, locate the privacy settings section. This area allows you to manage how your information is shared and your visibility to other users. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, look for an option related to online status or visibility. Here, you can toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After making the desired adjustments, be sure to save your changes. Look for a save button or prompt to ensure your new settings are applied. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Vrbo, allowing for a more private experience while using the platform.